Good morning ecopenny viewers, welcome to another Eco Sports edition. Merry Christmas! So this is actually Christmas in July. I'm going to go to the Parkrun's 6th birthday in Bathurst and I've got a little companion with me. So I'm going to bring Tiber along with me dressed in his Christmas dinosaur outfit. Come on!
Great big milestone for Bathurst Parkrun turning 6 today, but we do have another milestone. Miller, up the front there, is doing his 200th Parkrun today. Woo! Our run director team, thank you so much you guys, it really means a lot to your support. Also to our volunteers, now we've got a great big bunch of volunteers today, but as always our volunteers are what makes Parkrun happen. It can't happen without them. Brent has to be here, of course.
I'll let the dogs beat me. Yeah, we get a good family of dogs.
First trip over the Denison Bridge. Pretty frosty morning, about -4 this morning. Got some runners done their first lap already, on their second lap. Hey, morning. Up to the halfway point now. Come on. Come on.
Good run.
Thanks for helping.
Pleasure. Best dress, I think.
Yep. On to lap 2. Come, Tiber. Come. Come on. So if you haven't seen previous videos, Parkrun's a worldwide phenomenon. A 5-kilometre walk, jog or run. It's a free event just to build fitness in the community, make the community stronger, get people together, get people outdoors and having fun and getting active. It's a great thing. It's the second and final time over the Denison Bridge on the homeward lap. Good boy, Tiber, good boy. So if you haven't watched before, Tiber's a little Italian greyhound boy, less than a year old, still a puppy. So it's a smaller version. You've got the greyhound's the biggest one, and the whippet's the next smallest, and the Italian greyhound's the tiniest. So it's almost fully grown now. Get on. So it's a pretty popular area here for people to walk or jog, walk their dogs alongside the beautiful Macquarie River. Nearly at the 5k finish line. We're going to walk the last bit. Come on, come on, good boy. Come on.
Both in Parkrun.
Yeah. Yay, you finished! Good boy! Oh no. Christmas dinosaur. Good, there's some cake left.
There he is. Are you ready for some?
Yep.
She did an extra run. Oh, that's alright.
So if it's a Parkrun birthday, get cake. Tiber, treat. So that's our workout for the morning done. Time to go home and have a rest. ready for the journey home. You're tired puppy, aren't you? Nearly at the 5k finish line. We're gonna walk the last bit. Come on, come on, good boy. Come on.
Both in Parkrun.
Yeah. Yeah, you finished. Good boy.